Innovation has always been there, I will say, because when I was 5, I made my first drawing as an inventor. I was sick of going to the supermarket by foot, so I draw a shopping cart with a motor, and that was like my very first invention.
My name is Shenando Montamat, and I'm the project manager in neuroengineering at the VIS Center, working on a project to develop a brain-computer interface system called Ability.
My role as a project manager implies doing the strategy of the project, also organizing the timeline and the budget.
Ability stands for Active Brain Implant Live Information Transfer System. It comprises an active implant placed on the scalp, under the scalp, and is connected to microelectrodes that acquire neural signals directly from the brain. A wearable device receives the neural signals from the implant and transfers them to a computer. Here, the VIS Center's NeuroKey software transforms neural signals into commands to control assistive devices.
So the final goal of Ability is to transform those neural signals into either communication or movement. So when we are thinking on communication, we are thinking about people with locked-in syndrome, for example, people that cannot move, that cannot communicate by any other means. And that helps the people to communicate with their caregivers. We have this shared dream, and you can feel that. Like, we all have the same final goal. We really care about putting this into patients. Having so many people motivated by this same goal drives a lot.